Hello and welcome to Tutorialspoint. Today in content marketing, we'll discuss about the tools and the resources. Tools, analytical resources in terms of web analytical resources, the social media tools and the management tools. What are the tools that you need as far as running and executing your content marketing strategies are concerned? The first and foremost, the web analytics. Web analytics play a very important role in tracking, measuring, analyzing and reporting your analytical information, the traffic that is coming to your website. For first and foremost, of course, Google Analytics, widely used, extensively used and provides a wealth of information, exhaustive information as far as the analytics are concerned. Besides, WebTrends is also a very good web analytics tool. Then Vapra, then we have got Mixpanel, Simple Reach and Parsley are very good tools as far as providing you a lot of information related to the web analytics. You can easily identify the traffic that is coming to your website, the bounce rate happening, the engagement happening, the traffic sources, how the keywords are working and the engagement that is happening, the pages viewed, the goals and the conversions. All these factors are extensively can be covered, reviewed, analyzed and reported from these tools, and you can take informed decisions as far as your web analytics are concerned. Then we have got social media tools. Social media tools provide wealth of information as far as analyzing the content that is posted on the website, on the social media and the engagement that is happening on social media in terms of the interaction, communication and the engagement taking place between you and your users. And social media analytics tools must be used to measure the success of your content marketing on social media. Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, they all provide their own analytical information in terms of the insights available, insights provided by the Facebook and Twitter, whereas their analytics are concerned. Besides from the tools that Facebook, Twitter and LinkedIn provides in terms of analyzing the engagement, there are some external tools and very good tools like Social Bakers, Curelate, Simply Measured and Visible. These are some of the top tools that are related with social media analytics, and you can use them extensively to measure the success of your content marketing plan, content marketing strategies across multiple social media sites. Then we have got the automation, management automation tools. HubSpot is a fantastic tool as far as marketing automation is concerned. There's wealth of information that is available in HubSpot that provides. Then we have Eloqua, then we have got Silverpop, then we have got Marketo. They provide a wealth of information onto managing the complete automation process of your campaigns, of the search engine optimization, of PPC campaigns, of your online reputation management, of your content marketing. The entire process can be easily managed using these automation tools, and these automation tools actually automate the entire process of all your campaigns. In conclusion, what we have seen in this video is content marketing, web analytics tools, then we got social media analytics tools, then we got marketing automation tools, and these tools must be used by each and every content marketing strategist, content marketing executioner, so that you can actually drive more and more conversions. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you again.